This is how you can automate your CRM system for your e-commerce business inside of your website using AI automation. So this video is for brand owners with an online presence whose customer relation system is causing some headaches and is consuming a lot of time in the customer inbox. Or you may have VAs which takes care of customer service, but customer satisfaction and experience with inside your CRM isn't great. So specifically, I'll break down the complete AI system and how you can automate customer service, then also the exact software we use and how it's all set up and how we automate customer relations, as well as what website conversions can look like through an AI CRM. But mainly the focus of this video is on automating your CRM. Okay, so let me just break down exactly what this looks like. So first up, the way we do this is through AI software embedded onto your website, which your customers can interact with, ask questions, basically get all the information they need for them to make a purchase, as well as find out about their orders, find out about your brand, and then as well as the option to get nurtured, to add to cart and complete checkout. So this is what it looks like inside of the software. So this is voice flow. So the main sort of menu when customers first get onto the AI bot is they will have the option to select what they want to find out with. So this is what it looks like. So this is just a basic setup for a jewelry store. So when the customer's inside the chat with the bot, so based on the user's interaction with the bot, the software is going to decipher the user's intent with their interaction, and then respond accordingly. So say for example that this is the welcome message. They want to see the best sellers, and so this is going to prompt them over here. So you want to click on chains, and then so here you can see all the different stuff there, and it's going to come up over here. This is what it's going to look like on your store. So you can click through and see the different ones there, and then you can add to cart, which is going to take them straight to the page they need. And then so also you have order tracking. So back to that welcome message. So an example where the customer wants to find out where their order is. So they'll click onto orders, and then so come over here to the order page. So they want to track it. Then it'll come up with little message saying how they can do so, and then track my order status. So this isn't set up to any database or anything, so it won't actually connect through and reference the email, but so it will come over here, put in the email, and then so the chatbot's going to reference the database, spit out the tracking status and where it is. And so that's what it kind of looks like when the customer wants to track it there. And then so also you just got, if a customer just straight out has a question they want to ask. So this is what the feature looks like inside the bot here. So ask us a question. You can just be like, what materials do you use, for example? And then so it will reference the knowledge base, and then so understands what the user's asking, and then it's going to spit it out there. So that's what it kind of looks like on that side of things. So if this stuff sounds interesting and you want to integrate it onto your website, there's a link below to book a call. So I can break it down further and how we can set this all up for you. And so the main thing with all these repeated questions, responding to customers like, where is my order? Give me a refund. So the bot's going to automate all of this. So that hassle of spending time in the inbox is all delegated to AI, which is great. So spending time in the inbox isn't the most exciting thing, and it's just going to give you a lot more time for content creation, new products, and focusing on the real drivers of the brand. And then as well as if you have a VA, which is responding to inquiries, while they are good and take care of that process, they can't really just compete with the speed of AI and the instant responses that the chatbot can provide, which are on your site 24/7. Then with all this automation, you're going to get a lot more free time and your CRM being automated. So with the data on customer service, the quick responses, and the 24/7 support access of the bot, it's going to do a lot for your conversion rate, where instant responses are going to keep users happy with their experience and help them check out faster and keep them warm and interested to the checkout with that impulse purchase. So your revenue increases as well with the CRM automation. All right, so that's a bit of insight into what AI looks like with CRM automation and what the use cases are for e-commerce owners. Again, if this stuff is interesting and you want to set it up onto your website, I made another video which should come up after you watch this one, which goes into more info on AI and e-com. So now, if you're a brand owner and have an online e-commerce store that wants to automate your CRM with AI, we have a done-for-you service. So where we specifically help product-based websites doing more than 5K a month automate the CRM process and increase conversions using AI. So we set all this up onto your website with no additional work on your end. And if sounds interesting and you want to get onto it, you can book a discovery call and we can see if we're a fit. Cheers.